our choices as consumers. They learned about waste and the ways that we produce and the different types of waste that we produce is impacting the environment. They collected data on the amount of waste that they produce at home, and then they learned about ways in which they can reduce the amount of waste. And one of the ideas was to reduce the single-use plastic, and so they are making beeswax wraps that they can use to wrap a snack, their fruit or vegetables, instead of using Ziploc bags or the cling wrappers to help the environment.
All right, pick up two of the corners. Oh, this is not